Hey DIers and organization lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a space that often sparks a mix of dread and determination, the garage. It's a place with so much potential for creativity and functionality, but often ends up cluttered and chaotic. You see, just like the items we keep in our homes, garages deserve to spark joy too. Imagine a space where you can easily find the right tool, where seasonal decorations are neatly stored, and where you might even have room to park your car again. Don't worry, transforming your garage doesn't require a complete overhaul or expensive storage systems. Today, we'll use the power of quick decisions and mindful organization to declutter your garage in just 15 minutes. Are you ready to tidy up and reclaim your space? Let's begin. Remember, we're aiming for progress, not perfection. The goal here is to make a noticeable difference in a short amount of time, so don't stress about getting everything perfect right away. Set your timer for 3 minutes, and let's begin. This short burst of focused effort can be incredibly effective. Our first step is to quickly sort everything in your garage into 3 categories: keep, donate, and trash. This method helps you tackle the clutter systematically. This initial sorting process is crucial because it allows us to see the volume of what we have and make decisions more efficiently. By categorizing items, we can better understand what we truly need and what can be let go. Now, as we go through each item, ask yourself, does this spark joy? Does it serve a purpose in my life right now? These questions help you connect with the value of each item. If you find yourself hesitating for more than 10 seconds, it's a sign that the item might be better off finding a new home or being let go of entirely. Trust your instincts during this process. For the keep category, focus on items you use regularly, your trusty toolbox, gardening essentials, or those beloved seasonal decorations that truly bring you joy. These are the things that add value to your daily life. The donate pile is for items in good condition that you haven't used in over a year. These items can still be useful to someone else. Perhaps it's a set of golf clubs gathering dust or extra storage containers you no longer need. These items can find a new life with someone who will appreciate them. These items could spark joy for someone else. Donating them not only helps you declutter but also benefits others. Lastly, the trash category is for anything broken, rusted, expired, or beyond repair. These items no longer serve a purpose and can be discarded. Those old paint cans, broken furniture pieces, and items that no longer serve a purpose can be let go of with gratitude. Thank them for their service and move on. Now, to make this sorting process even smoother, I recommend using 3 large bins or trash bags labeled Keep, Donate, and Trash. This helps keep everything organized and clear. This visual separation helps you make quick decisions and keeps the momentum going. It's all about maintaining a steady pace and not getting bogged down. Remember, trust your intuition and let go of anything that doesn't spark joy or serve you in this moment. This process is about creating a space that reflects your current needs and desires. The garage floor. Often a catch-all for clutter, but also a space with so much potential. Our goal in these next 3 minutes is to create a sense of spaciousness and clarity. You see, a cluttered floor can make the entire garage feel more chaotic than it actually is. By simply lifting items off the ground, we instantly create a visual sense of calm and order. Don't worry about perfectly organizing everything just yet. For now, focus on creating clear pathways and open space. Stack those lightweight storage bins on top of each other, even if they're not perfectly categorized yet. Next, gather your tools, sports equipment, and boxes, and temporarily relocate them to a designated spot, perhaps against a clear wall or on a workbench. The key is to create visual breathing room. If you have large items like bikes or a lawnmower taking up precious floor space, consider moving them outside temporarily or relocating them to a corner. Remember, we want to create a sense of flow and openness. Now take a step back and admire the difference. The simple act of clearing the floor can be incredibly transformative. It allows us to see the space with fresh eyes and approach the remaining tasks with a sense of peace and purpose. Chapter 3. Fast-Track Tool Organization. Our tools are extensions of our creativity, and they deserve a designated space where they can be easily accessed and admired. A well-organized tool area not only enhances efficiency, but also inspires us to take on new projects with enthusiasm. Let's dedicate the next 4 minutes to bringing order to our tools. This process will not only save you time in the long run, but also reduce the stress of searching for misplaced items. Start by gathering all your tools in one central location. This will give you a clear view of what you have, and help you identify any missing or broken items. Now as you hold each tool in your hand, consider its purpose and how often you use it. Reflect on whether it has a specific place in your daily tasks, or if it's something you rarely touch. Does it spark joy when you use it? This might sound like a simple question, but it can be quite revealing about which tools are truly valuable to you. Prioritize your everyday tools, the trusty hammer, screwdrivers, and drill that you reach for most often. These are the tools that should be most accessible. These deserve a prime location within easy reach. Having them readily available will make your work more efficient and enjoyable. If you have magnetic strips or hooks installed in your garage, now is the time to put them to good use. These tools can be hung up neatly, making them easy to find and grab when needed. These are fantastic for storing pliers, wrenches, and measuring tapes, keeping them visible and readily available. This visibility ensures you can quickly locate the tool you need without rummaging through drawers. For smaller tools that tend to get lost easily, consider using a designated container or toolbox. A simple bucket or tool bag can work wonders for keeping miscellaneous items together. This method helps in maintaining order and ensures that even the smallest tools have a home, and preventing those frustrating "where did I put that?" moments. An organized space means less time searching and more time creating. As you organize your tools, you might come across duplicates or items you no longer use. These items can take up valuable space and create unnecessary clutter. This is a great opportunity to let go of what no longer serves you. Freeing up space can make your work area feel more open and inviting. Donate those extra tools to a local charity or consider gifting them to a fellow DIY enthusiast. Sharing tools can foster a sense of community and help others in their creative endeavors. Chapter 4: Eliminate the junk. We're in the home stretch now. With just 3 minutes remaining, let's tackle those common clutter culprits that tend to accumulate in garages. Take a moment to scan your garage for items that fall into these categories: expired paint cans, broken or rusted tools, old sports equipment like deflated balls or broken rackets, and those empty cardboard boxes that seem to multiply overnight. Remember, these items are taking up valuable space and draining the energy from your garage. It's time to let them go with gratitude. For items like metal and cardboard, be sure to recycle them properly. Many communities have designated recycling centers or pickup programs. If you have items in good condition that you no longer need, consider donating them to a local charity or thrift store. Your unwanted items could bring joy and value to someone else's life. For larger items or a significant amount of trash, you might need to schedule a bulk trash pickup with your waste management service. As you go through this process, remember the 2-year rule. If you haven't touched an item in 2 years, it's a good indication that you can let it go. Trust your intuition and create space for the things that truly matter. Outrow, you did it! Your garage transformation awaits. Congratulations! In just 15 minutes, you've taken a powerful step towards reclaiming your garage and transforming it into a space that sparks joy. This is no small feat, and you should be incredibly proud of the progress you've made. Remember that feeling of accomplishment as you admire your decluttered and organized space. It's a testament to your hard work and dedication. But our tidying journey doesn't end here. Maintaining this level of organization requires ongoing effort and a few smart strategies. To maintain this newfound sense of order, consider implementing simple yet effective organization hacks. These small changes can make a big difference in keeping your garage tidy. Label your storage bins clearly so you always know where everything belongs and can find items quickly. Install wall hooks for hanging bikes and tools, maximizing your vertical space and keeping the floor clear. Embrace the power of clear bins to easily see what's inside without having to open each one. This saves time and keeps everything visible. Creating designated zones for different categories like tools, sports equipment, and seasonal decorations can also work wonders in maintaining order. This way, everything has its own place. And seasonal decorations can also work wonders in maintaining order. This way, everything has its own place. And most importantly, remember that tidying is an ongoing practice, not a one-time event. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your garage in top shape. By incorporating a quick 5-minute garage reset into your monthly routine, you can prevent clutter from building up again and maintain a space that sparks joy for years to come. Happy organizing, you can prevent clutter from building up again, and maintain a space that sparks joy for years to come. Happy organizing! Bonus, keep your garage organized for the future. Now that your garage is decluttered, let's keep it that way. Simple organization hacks. Label storage bins. Clearly mark categories like seasonal decorations, tools, and household storage. This will make it easier to find what you need when you need it. Install simple wall hooks. Perfect for hanging bikes, ladders, and garden tools. This keeps them off the floor and easily accessible. Ladders and garden tools. Use clear bins. Makes it easy to see what's inside without opening them. This transparency helps in maintaining order. Create zones. Keep tools in one area, sports gear in another, and household storage in its own space. This zoning helps in quick access and efficient use of space, and household storage in its own space. Pro tip: do a quick 5-minute garage reset every month to stop clutter from building up again. Conclusion: you did it. And just like that, you've decluttered your garage in just 15 minutes. Cleared the floor space, sorted items into keep, donate and trash piles, organized tools for easy access, eliminated unnecessary junk, and set up a simple system to stay organized. Now your garage is ready for DIY projects, easy storage access, and actually parking your car inside. Comment below, what was the most satisfying part of decluttering your garage? Or what's still a challenge for you? Let's chat. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button to support the channel. Your engagement helps us create more content that you love. Subscribe for more home organization, DIY projects, and smart storage hacks. We have a lot more tips and tricks to share with you. Share this video with friends and family who need to declutter their garage too. Until next time, stay organized, stay creative, and keep building.